Okay. So these are the. Can you write what are the uses? Uses. Speak also. Speak also. The first one is bathing. Bathing, washing. We use water for washing purpose. And washing for clothes and utensils, and for cleaning the floor. Okay. For cooking also we use water. So water is being useful. Water is being used in many purpose. Now in several purpose we are using water. So these are the uses of water. And next one is given the proportion of water. In our world, around 70% of water is what? 30%. If there is a ratio given in your book now, 70% of water is what? Water. 70% of water is 70% is the water. Yes, and 30% is for the land. That is the ratio is given. 30% is land and 70% is water. And in this 70%, again a next ratio has been given between the fresh water and contaminated. No, it's not. The contaminated means dirty water. Yes. The ratio has been given between the 97% of water is belong to sea and ocean. 97. Okay, 97% of water is sea and ocean. Okay, and 0.01% like this much is only fresh water. This one. Which is being used for drinking purpose only, and few more ratio are for the left ratio which is not being used here. It is, that is what? That is lake, river. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. So that percentage will be come along lake, and these are the ratio of them. Okay. Did you get it? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now you will be understanding what I am trying to say. There is one example given in your book. If we are, suppose we are using one bucket, okay, the one bucket will be like it will be like the huge amount of water which is present in world, okay, and then we are taking one mug of water. That is the amount with fresh water. That is the fresh water on the earth. Fresh water on the earth, and a glass of water represents present as groundwater. Glass water is being presented as the groundwater, and one spoon lakes and river of the water. Understood? What are the ratios of the a bucket is being sea. It is being referred to as a sea, or it is not fresh water. A bucket as you can see the size of a bucket is being referred to sea and ocean, and a mug is being referring as fresh water. And a glass of water is a groundwater. Is being compared. It is being compared from the groundwater, and one spoon is being compared from the lakes and rivers. Understood? Yes, ma'am. So these are the comparisons which are being made over here. Sit down. Now we are having forms of water. Can you tell me how many forms of water you know? How many forms of water you know? Solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid, liquid and gases. The solid, what are the solid forms?
Ice.
Ice are the